Audi DTM drivers competing on a track which is somewhat different to that they will experience here in Assen this weekend.
I don't know which car I am. This one. No.
Come on! Fantastic, as always, gentlemen.
I was leading, I checked out early.
Now look at this, the drivers are all manipulating their car.
That's my car.
The third corner, that's where it all goes horribly wrong. That's it. So at the moment, it's Nico Muller at the moment. Under investigation. He has 3 wins.
Yeah, it was fun. It's something very different, but obviously we're all competitive and enjoy it. But I didn't really understand yet what the investigation was for, so maybe you can...
Cheating.
Okay, cheating, yeah. We're all very good at that, so that's a compliment, I would say.
Sure, I was much cleaner than him, and he was pushing me wide, and track limits he didn't take care of, so... I don't know what's wrong with the race director.
It was a brilliant start to what should be a superb DTM weekend.